Now, hotel room rates in Singapore are expected to remain under pressure in 2014 after falling by 8% year-on-year in 2013. But analysts also say that some new events in the pipeline may provide support and even help push room rates a little higher. Linette Lim has this report.
The crown jewel event of women's tennis, the WTA Championships, the F1 Singapore Grand Prix, and business conferences such as the recently concluded Singapore Air Show. For some industry observers, this strong pipeline of events is a boost for hotels in Singapore, which suffered an 8% drop in room rates last year.
The market is stabilizing, and from the fact that we are expecting to see good growth from the corporate market this year, and corporate travelers tend to pay a bit more rates on an effective basis. And from that perspective, we would see, because of a larger mix in corporate travel for this year, the average rate for the industry should see a marginal uplift.
The average room rate for a mid-tier to upscale hotel in Singapore is around $220. And DBS Vickers says overall room rates could increase by 3 to 5% this year. However, recent tourist arrivals numbers paint a less rosy picture. In 2013, tourist arrivals grew by only 6.9%, down from the 10.1% the previous year. Tourism growth rates may have slowed, but that's not the biggest worry for hoteliers in Singapore. They're more concerned with the new number of hotel rooms coming on and that the supply of hotel rooms will continue to outstrip demand. The number of hotel rooms in Singapore is expected to climb by 17% over the next 3 years. And according to consultancy CBRE, tourist arrivals will have to increase by 8% this year in order to keep pace with supply. CBRE says that's going to be difficult to achieve.
The challenges now are really dealing with the additional supply and dealing with the operating costs for hotels, which have been going up quite dramatically, so that their profitability in some segments has been declining. But that has to be offset by the fact that investors have achieved record results in terms of capital values, where the pricing of hotels has gone up a lot.
Almost 3,000 new hotel rooms will be completed this year alone. This is expected to bring the total number of hotel rooms in Singapore to 60,000 by 2016.